Well, weather just picked up. This is interesting. You can see how it's blowing there. I just literally came inside, but my corn's gonna take a beating again. Oops, I better shut the garage door. Oh, garage door shut. Hello, Mary. But so you can tell that this weather is weird, but that's okay. Why is this capturing my face? Hey everybody, just getting a storm, and I also lit, but so we are getting a storm, and I'm looking out my front window. You can see it's coming across. You can see it. That's the reason why I point down there, because you can see it right there where the light's hitting it. You can see the storm, how it's blowing this way, right into my corn. So oh, the crops need this rain. Definitely need this rain today. Definitely needing the rain. Hey Tammy, how are you? Oh, dang it. Here comes even harder rain. So, let me go check my gutters. Nice. Well, like I said, you guys can. It's just a raining out. What? Hey Gary, hey Mary. Hey everybody, it's just pouring down rain. That's what I'm. Yeah. So. I don't think it'll last very long, actually. They weren't really calling for it. Yeah, I'll take it. We can go outside and take a look. Come here. Sorry about that. I didn't mean to drop my phone. So we're gonna go outside and take a look at it. I can give me a second here, and I'll actually. Okay. You guys can kind of get an idea. Whoa! Hello, rain. Oh, hello. I was just out in this, and it was like I was just getting stuff in the garden, and it started pouring down rain. Trees behind. Jeepers. Yes, the corn's looking okay. Oh, lightning. Hello. Alright, that was a little loud. Okay, that was lightning. That was a little loud. Wow. So yeah, that was bowling in heaven. Look up there, you can see the. Hello. Hey Robin, how are you? Mikey, Linda, Regine, how are you guys all doing? Oh yeah. Getting this crazy weather all of a sudden. No, that's good. Crops need the rain. I'm glad we're getting the rain right now. Just hoping it doesn't push my corn down again. I should see if it's. Alright, I gotta. So I'm getting soaked. Alright, hold on, everybody. I'll let you guys watch it. What I need to do. Okay. What do I find? Look, the bucket's already full. Sheesh. Okay. Hey, Lola. Yeah, lots of rain. Oy. Yeah, it's just coming down, so. I'm just sitting back enjoying the rain. Yep. I know. Hey, Mike old Pola. Mike. I know, it's just getting all... Gotta love the rain though. I went down to check my sump pump, make sure my sump pump was okay, and it was fine. No, power's not out. Hello, Lola. Just keep an eye on my corn with the rain and everything, because, and I'll post some pictures of some of the new roses that I took just a little bit ago right before the rain. You guys will like the new roses, or the roses that are coming up right now, because I also found a rabbit. So it turned out that's 2 rabbits in the course of 2 days, baby rabbits. Oh, I try not to tame them because then they get eaten by everything. Yeah, I got some oil burning lanterns that I, when it rains, and that one there I can't figure out how to get the head off of it. It's about 100 some years old and I can't get this head off right there. So I know I'm not playing it, because like I said, it was my mom's. And yeah, and the wind's not pushing the corn down too hard, so it's actually doing pretty good. The corn's actually doing pretty good right now. We're doing pretty good with that. I'm actually grateful for that right now. I don't need the corn going down anytime soon, because the corn goes down. So I am very grateful that the corn is not going down right now. Hey Nancy, hey Jimmy, hey Mike. Oh, hold on, I'm still here. I'm just gonna move in the camera again. You guys can watch it.